Hello again, biology students. Welcome back to Mr. Charlton's class. We are going into week 7 of semester 2. Couple things happening this week. We are back to normal schedule this week. So what does that mean? That means Monday through Friday. You'll either see me Monday, Wednesday, or Thursday, Friday, or sorry, Tuesday, Thursday, and then Friday is a check-in. So that's good news, because if you need help with assignments, you need help with anything going on with the class, resetting a quiz, you don't understand how to do something, you don't understand the notes, anything like that, Fridays are the best time, because I just sit here for 40 minutes ready to help any students with any questions. And so that's what Fridays are great for. Of course, you can always reach out to me on messages, or you can stay after class, but I'm sitting here on Friday. So we got that back this week. The other thing happening this week is progress reports going to be coming out. So the teachers turn in our grades on Wednesday. You'll get your grades back on Friday for the progress report. This is the first progress report of semester 2. And so if you want anything to show up on this progress report, like you need to make up some work or you want to retake a test, you need to get it done by Tuesday. So I can get it graded, I can get it into the thing I turned in on Wednesday, and that way it shows up on the progress report later this week. Okay, so make sure, I'll remind you of that in class on Monday and Tuesday, but hopefully you're watching these videos and they'll remind you as well. Okay, all right, let's check out what you got going on this week. Nothing difficult or complicated, but something very important. So we are in week 7. We're going to be switching gears. We've been talking about the body and homeostasis and how your cells make new cells with mitosis and the cell cycle. Okay, we're done talking about that topic. If we were doing units, this would be the end of the unit. So you would normally take a unit test. Since we don't have unit tests here in digital learning, you have a quiz this week. So this is now your second big quiz. Some of you still haven't taken your first big quiz. So you had a quiz on week 5. Okay, I got a lot of people that still have missing on that. And now you're gonna have a quiz for week 7. Okay, so it's very important you take these quizzes. Quizzes are the my #1 way to basically tell, are you getting this stuff or not? And again, you can have your notes out on the quiz, so why would you not take advantage of that? But you know, I can't go over to your house and make you take these things and do this stuff. So it's gonna be very hard for you to pass the class if you're not passing the quizzes. So again, come to class, take your notes, then bring those notes and that work to the quiz and do the best that you can. And if you don't get a score you like, if you took the week 5 quiz and you don't like it, send me a message, say, hey, can I retake it? Absolutely. I've got a bunch of people who have been retaking quiz week 5. In fact, I think one person got like a 9 out of, 15? And he retook it and he got like a 15 out of 15 or something like that. So, I mean, why not? Why would you not take advantage of that? Like, it's right there for you. You just got to do the work and the effort. Okay, so we got a quiz. It's going to cover cell cycle and mitosis. That's the notes from last week, from week 6, that look like this. I'll show you week 6. So you remember the notes last week we took on interphase through cytokinesis, and it also covers the notes from week 5. And I'll be honest, there was 3 pages of notes from week 5. We talked about growing, multiplying, differentiating. Why do we need to go through the cell cycle? What is the actual cell cycle? We talked about cancer, what it is, and how you treat it. And so make sure that you are getting that notes and putting it in that way, okay? Okay, so like I said, that's the quiz. Now, what we're gonna be doing in class this week is we're gonna be starting what is the new unit, the new information. And the new information is gonna be talking about DNA. And so, my experience is that not too many students have learned too much about DNA prior to high school. So this might be a new topic. You might have heard of it, of course, but what is it? So first thing we're going to do is start off with what is DNA. And so you'll see this picture here, but we'll actually take some notes in class on Monday and Tuesday about what all this stuff is and be doing some drawings together. And then that is going to be one set of notes. So the DNA is one set of notes. And then we're going to do a second set of notes on Wednesday and Thursday on a type of experiment called gel electrophoresis, which is the type of work that they do in like crime labs to determine if the suspect was at the scene of the crime. You know, if they found like blood at the scene of the crime or a hair at the scene of the crime, how do they know that that person is the person that was at the scene when the, you know, things got stolen or a person got hurt? You know, how do they do that? It could also be used for what are called paternity tests to determine if some guy is actually the father of a child or not. You can use these for those as well. So, but you can't understand how this test works if you don't understand the DNA behind it. So Monday and Tuesday, we're going to talk about DNA. I will put a copy of the notes there. Wednesday and Thursday, we'll talk about gel electrophoresis, and that'll be a second assignment. So one assignment, notes on DNA, another assignment, notes on gel electrophoresis. And why did I do that? Because I noticed that when I had people trying to do notes from Monday and Wednesday or Tuesday and Thursday, they were missing like half of them. So I decided to do Monday and Tuesday is one assignment, Wednesday and Thursday is another assignment, okay? So we'll just keep them separate that way. And then the only other thing is that quiz that I was talking about. So 2 sets of notes this week and a quiz. If you come to class and you take notes, then you should be doing good on the quiz and you should be getting your points for most of the notes that we take in the work. So there you go. That's what we're doing this week. I will see all of you in class on Monday and Tuesday. Make sure to show up on time because we got to get started right away. All right. Have a good one.